Very good. The field is randomized. Red Alliance, are you ready? Blue Alliance, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Away we go. 14365 staying in place. Shooting from afar. Nicely landing 4 artifacts in the red classifier. Blue Alliance, meanwhile, 23435 shooting and clearing their gate. 21865 and 3442, a little more passive on this particular scoring round. 21865 lined up. They're off the mark, but lined up by the first spike.
I'm gonna hit you guys.
I am impressed by how much 23435 is scoring and clearing into the blue goal.
Drivers, pick up your controllers.
All right, get ready to hit it. Get ready to hit it.
2, 1.
All right, all 4 robots in motion here. 21865 coming around, coming alive here. Picking up from near their mark. They need to line up for the blue alliance. They've shown an interesting capability to shoot. And I see 3 or 4 artifacts going in at that time. And they land all of it. There's 3 more. They clear their gate.
Careful.
14365 coming into the red loading zone to be fed by their human handler. They've got artifacts under control now, and off they set. This match leading offensive so far. Oh, contact between robots. Just gate need to be cleared. 14365, a red robot. Hovering near the blue goal. Being bumped. Referees waving a wand. 21865. Lining up their robot.
Gate again, gate again, gate again.
Shooting 1, 2, 3. They land all of them. Purple, purple, purple. Not quite the motif.
Careful.
But artifacts are artifacts. 14365. Showing some beautiful long distance shooting. Need to line up a little bit better.
I'm not pushing anything. I'm not pushing anything. I'm not pushing anything.
And red alliance lands 1, 2 out of 3 goals shot. 13-0-4-4-2. Going back. 2 get loaded again.
Yep. Gate,
There
gate.
are rules governing how the human player may interact with the robot for safety reasons. And
Okay, you're good, you're good.
be careful of those. Droids shooting, they land. Purple, purple, green. Yep, that's the motif. Teams communicating with each other. 21865 going up. Did I just see 6 artifacts land in the blue goal?
Okay, yep, gate,
Impressive.
gate again.
I see 5.
Close, close.
Classifiers cleared with the gate.
Oh,
and
far,
4, 5, 6 more. Wow. They are really racking up the artifacts. Coming down to the end zone here. Blue Alliance, I'm seeing at 259, 262, and going up. As Katie pointed out, that was a high score there, but that's only going to go up. This might be where we see an interesting high water mark for the team. Robots jockeying to park. As we come to the end zone, and all 4 robots are achieved.
271. Look at that score. Look at that score.
That's before
Blue
they,
Alliance
like...
high-fiving each other very happily. It looked like they played to a strategy and achieved it. Well done.
Nice.
Red Alliance looking